So, I got a delivery the other day. You know when you get them deliveries and you don't know what the hell they are and you just get confused? That was one of these. So, what is it? No idea. I actually do know what this is. I worked it out, but I've not actually opened it yet. It's like, what's all this stuff? Oops, let's not drop it on the floor. Okay, so that's it. So we have a carabiner, little carabiner, nice. Still a bit confused, or I was still a bit confused. Like bags of stickers. Right. Pretty awesome, but still, what the hell is it? And then you get to these two boxes, which look the same. When you open them, they're the Kickstarter Mag Beads. Finally came. So this is a campaign that ended probably 3 months ago now. There's been some delays in shipment, obviously, but here's the interesting thing. I've got the two that came with my pledge. Great. So put them aside. The carabiner, you know, they'll just throw that in. However, we also have a little sanitizer spray, which is pretty cool. Let's get them boxes out of the way. And we have this, which is, again, silicone gel, don't care about them. The little stainless steel pill container, that's actually quite waterproof as well. And 2 extra seals, which is nice, so yeah. That will probably end up with earplugs in it for when I go to the data centers when I'm working. Never have too many earplugs. Let's put that away. Then there's this one. Like, this one comes in a very nice box. Like, these are sort of, this is like a tin, but inside it you have a knife. Now, these are fine, but this, and the pillbox, they were part of a higher pledge that I didn't pledge for. I only pledged for these. So, these are a massive surprise. I mean, I'm not complaining. So, they've either decided to send extra bits out because they did much better than they expected, or they've sent me someone else's pledge. But I don't know what to say about that. I'm going to assume that it wasn't a mistake and they just wanted to be nice. So, yeah, thumbs up. I mean, these things are pretty strong. I mean, they're not the strongest things in the world, but trust me, it's going to take a lot to pull them apart without trying. I mean, what have we got that I can try it with? I think I've got, there you go, so a tube of sanitizer. That's not going to come off, but you can pull them off and they clip back together really well. So, yeah, first look. Not sure how many people have got them yet, so I just thought I would share. If you get a chance, yeah, definitely recommend them.